Alright, so in the first part of this testing video, we're gonna basically log in with two different kind of users. So we're logged in with this user, and then we log in with this other user here. And then I put the different tokens in here. So first of all, we just wanna test that we can follow someone and check the tuple follow function. So we can go in and say tuple follow, and then dash. And then here we are logged in as user number 3. So we can go in and tuple follow 2. And then we can go in and tuple follow 3. And then now if we go in on a follow 3, we have result here, and the same with followers 2. So at the moment that is what we need here to be able to follow someone else. And then the other thing we want to check is followers is following 3, and that's true. Great. And then if we go in here, say is following 2, perfect. So now you're basically capable of following a user using this. So actually that's all for this video, and what we are gonna do in the next video is we're gonna outline the light controller, and then in another video we're gonna set up the routes. The light controller is not gonna be that long. It's gonna be very simple and similar to what we have created here. So hit the like button, and I will see you in the next video.